have difficulty using your e-file with your non-dominant hand, in my case, it's the left. Do you want to know how I do it so that it's a little bit easier? Well, stay tuned and you'll see how. So this is the handpiece that I use, and the way that I grab it is basically like if I was about to write, so like grabbing a pencil. And then let me show you the actual piece of my machine that I use. It's a Coupa Mani Pro, and let me show you some buttons that are very important. Normally when I'm using it with my right hand, it's on the forward position, but since I'm going to be using it in the left hand, and this is from my perspective, I'm going to push it down to where it says reverse because it's my opposite hand. Now speed is very important. You don't want to have it full blast. You want to start at the lowest speed possible and slowly move up a little bit, especially when you're a beginner, because that way with the vibrations of the file, you don't want to accidentally cause damage to your nail or overfile. So always start at the lowest. And then here is, I hope you can see how it is that I'm moving my fingers and using them as a stability, because I use both of my hands. That way the machine or the file won't move as much, and it'll create that point of holding it a little bit steadier. And since I don't feel that confident with my left hand, it'll kind of help keep it in place and not go all over the place. So make sure you have a firm grip on your file, and then also use your fingers on both hands to create a stable place for your file. And as you can see, I will maneuver my hands in any way and shape that need be so that I am comfortable with my file, whether it be moving my left and my right, to accommodate both hands and making feel as comfortable as possible. Now, while recording this video, I am not very comfortable because normally I don't place them on the table like that because I want to stay in frame. That's why I'm showing it to you. Another thing, see how I'm moving my hand back and forth, my right hand? You don't necessarily have to just move your file. Since I feel more confident in moving my right hand instead of the left hand, which is my non-dominant, because I feel like I have more control over where to file if I move my right hand. I hope it kind of makes sense. So I keep my left hand steady while I move my right hand to where I need it to be. And if need be, I might move it just a little bit. But before, when I was only trying to move my left hand, which is my non-dominant, I was causing too much pressure, or I was over filing or keeping my hand in one place, which is not good. So by moving my right hand, which is my dominant, I have more control and the file doesn't move as much or in a jerky way. So these are my tips. This is what has helped me, but I hope these also help you. Or if you guys have better tips and tricks that have helped you, I urge you to leave your comments down below, because that way we will help each other in this community. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. But till next time, see you later.